that's the Godzilla head. Now we're gonna go into arcade, which is Namco Tokyo. Get some gachas and shit.
Probably like 2 decks.
Oh yeah.
We're purchasing more One Piece packs as apparently we are now gamblers and card collectors. I didn't choose this route, but it chose me. So
One of the expensive ones.
Oh, I got.
oh my gosh, I got this dude.
All of mine are spoilers.
Ew, I hate him. Oh, that's sick.
Wow. It took a hell.
This is a new one.
Strictly fucking.
Love the music.
Yeah.
Except for that.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You have to do it aesthetically, okay?
It's that guy. Ooh, look.
Oh, you got
I got Corazon and then Law in the background. Checking the value of the cards. Because we got like these ones. I want to see where Corazon is. This is the first one. I got Sanji! Ah, I need to pick which one I want to do, but I don't know which one. There's so many. Oh my god, it's the depressed food. Okay. Okay, I'll do this one. I don't want the pussy looking one.
What?
Look at that.
Why not? I like the
I
one.
like that. That's disturbing.
Get the one.
If I get that one, you're in trouble. This one's so bad. Please.
Get the.
Give me the
Give
rolls.
me. Give me the.
Damn it. We'll never know. Please don't give me that one. Are you kidding me? Are you dead ass? I don't want it. I don't want it. Oh my gosh, I look like I'm in a Star Wars like scene. The dark versus the light. This one's latte. I want that one. But that's a 1 out of 5 chance.
Maybe your luck will balance out.
Wow,
it did balance out.
I got
You got
the
a 1 out of
freaking
5.
latte.
See, you had to pull the
See?
last one.
Gemini powers. Yeah, he's just a baby. Jeremy, what was your explanation about these plates again?
These are mandatory service fees. Mandatory.
So they charge you, but even if you don't ask for it,
Yeah.
sometimes.
You will get those at the
In more of the tourist areas. This is jellyfish though, and I actually like this, so I'm okay with it. This is karage. I had this last year. No, I had it over the summer. So it was just this year, and it was the best karage I've ever had. And this is my rice that I'm eating with it. It's the best karage I had in my life. It's delicious. It's like a band playing right now. It's not the boy band that it was in Harashuku.
Are you vlogging?
No, I'm just talking to myself.
I thought you were streaming.
Love the energy. We're done eating, so I am going to play some claw machines now. Claw machine time. I have not seen this figure yet. Oh shit, I'm gonna go for Shenron.
You did it, Goku.
Look at my Nike logo. Yeah, it is dark. Wow. Projections, but it's pretty HD. Carl pushed the kids away from the slide. This is a projection, but they're super HD.
Is it a monkey?
It is a monkey. Is it? Can you touch it? Is that a panther? I think it is. It's a panther.
That's a leopard, actually.
A leopard.
Or a jaguar.
This is the butterfly room for transformations. I don't actually know what it's for, but he's cute. See? Oh, it's trippy.
But they're not connected.
Whoa. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. This part is making me super dizzy.
I don't know, I'm confused.
I'm confused too. It looked like he's moving.
Look, she's moving too. What?
We're gonna put in our drawings and they're gonna send it into the aquarium of drawings. Now we're gonna go draw our stuff and put it on here. This is who I did for my drawing. Hopefully it captures the ears, we'll see, but I'm a little worried that it won't. This. We got Raul's drawing. We got Jeremy's drawing. What the that is not Luffy. Our drawing's ready. Show yours. Let's do this. It's all covered and that's Raul's. See? I like mine so much. It came out so good. She's blinking. And she's blinking. Jeremy, get out of the way. Touch yours, Jeremy. Touch it. Somebody did Frieza. That's really good. This one is just, you know, the calming room or whatever. Lots of projections. See. This is that one like raining room with a bunch of like the lights and stuff. Where all them influencers do that aesthetic shit. Look, it's a whole march, a band of them. He's leading it. Oh, the next. This looks so good. It's adorable. It's adorable.